Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm McCoy. Thank you all for taking time to attend our product launch event. It's my honor to have this chance to be with you and learn the new member of CHCNAV GNSS receivers family. So first, let's take a look at some pictures of special events of serving projects. In the past, many surveyors faced problems in such environments: signal obstructed, hard to reach, hazardous area. Many people tried hard to solve the problem, and someone had a solution in history, combining a normal laser detector with RTK receiver, but not popular due to the low final accuracy. These years, many manufacturers also released some laser RTK models. Compared to the historical solutions, they are good. But is it perfect? No. Commonly speaking, there are several common issues that those solutions have. So first, the accuracy of laser measurement is not accurate enough. Second, it's hard to find where the point is. And the third one, it is difficult to ensure when the data is collected, the laser is not on the right position due to the shake. Those inconveniences make the laser RTK solution still not wonderful enough, not usable enough. Therefore, CHCNAV comes this time, bringing a new weapon that is sure to blow your mind. It's our honor. It's also our duty as a leader in geospatial industry. So before the detailed introduction, let's watch a short video to get a quick overview of this new partner. So from the video, you might find something incredible on i85. Now please follow me. I will show you how it is and why we do so. First, the i85 has a true 8 million pixels high-resolution rear camera. This level resolution can ensure the video image to be clear and sharp, especially after the video is zoomed in. Also, the reason why we put a rear camera on i85, it is because that the laser dot is really small. In 5 meters, in 10 meters, such short range, humans' eyes might still be able to find the laser dot. But if the distance is longer, like 20 meters, 30 meters, it can be really difficult to find the laser dot with only eyes. Camera can magnify the distant objects and bring them into the view of users. Now, if the resolution is low, which the current solutions on the market are around 2 million pixels, after magnifying, the object will become mosaic. You can see nothing with this camera. So with the true 8 million pixels camera, i85 laser RTK makes sure that you can get a clear and sharp view of the target in the typical applications. Make i85 laser RTK truly useful. The other advantage is that i85 uses a green laser detector. You might wonder why we choose this type of detector. So let's find the reason together. At the beginning, we also considered using another type of detector with red color laser. In many cases, for example, it's a good choice indoors. But the disadvantage of it is that the red laser is hard to catch by our eyes. This issue is really critical because we need to visually confirm that the laser point is correctly aligned with the target point. If we cannot find the point easily, time will be wasted a lot. And meanwhile, according to academic research, that green laser is more eye-catching. Our comparison test also proved this conclusion. At the same range, 10 meters on this wall, red laser dot is almost invisible, but our green laser dot is still shining, like a bright star in night sky. And the flash mode makes the laser dot more recognized. This green laser enables i85 laser RTK more convenient in various environments, making i85 laser RTK truly useful. Third advantage is that we find some current solutions. They have the functionality to enable users zoom in and zoom out the camera video stream when using laser survey. But users need to manually operate on the controller to use this function. So let's imagine this scenario. You are holding the pole to make sure the laser is on the correct point. Then you operate on the controller to zoom in the camera view, trying to see object clearly. This operation causes controller to shift slightly, which was transmitted to the receiver, causing it to shake up the wheel. After being magnified by the laser over a distance of more than 10 meters, the laser point was now far off target, and you need to try to aim again. This might make you down. But for i85, based on our smart aiming systems, it can learn users' behavior and help user finishing the zoom-in operation. That means when you use i85 laser measurement to aim an object, you can use your two hands to hold the pole still. i85 can automatically zoom in the view, letting you have a clear view of your target to ensure you can aim accurately. This way can make your measurement more stable and easier. Besides, this way can improve efficiency by 30%. Also, to further ensure the experience, we developed smart assistance algorithm to help user collecting laser measurement data. You don't need to click the survey button on controller, which may cause your laser dot to move off target. Just hold the receiver still and aim on the target. Our software can automatically assist you to collect that point. From aiming to collecting, i85 truly frees your hands from the operation. You only need to focus on putting the laser dot on the correct target. The rest left to i85 to finish. This makes i85 truly useful. So with the true 8 million pixels high-resolution camera, the bright green laser, and smart autofocus with collection assistance, i85 makes a truly useful laser RTK now. So we just talked about the convenience of the operation of i85 laser measurement. But how about accuracy? So now let's find it out. Before that, we need to know how the laser measurement works. In short words, laser measurement uses 3 different data sources. First, IMU data, and distant data from laser detector, and of course, the coordinate from GNSS receiver. So for IMU, due to the effort of CHCNAV engineers, we make a breakthrough on IMU technology. With our next-gen Ultra IMU, the accuracy of key parameters from IMU now is improved to be 5 times better than current regular models. While the current regular models can only let you get a result accuracy 10 centimeters at 10 meters distance, not usable in real applications. For laser distance, i85 integrates laser EDM compensation, adjusting the measurement algorithm to reduce the environmental influence, ensuring accuracy in temperature minus 10 to 60 Celsius degrees and resistant 50,000 lux environmental light exposure. Make sure your measurement result more reliable in various environments. And to ensure the installation accuracy of laser and camera sensors, i85 has laser camera integrated module with full coverage metal structure design. This only CHCNAV can do. The installation accuracy now is 8 times better than current regular model. Laser dot is always in the center of view, even after prolonged exposure of high temperatures or being dropped. The high precision is maintained well. All our efforts above make i85 now can maintain a precision of 2 centimeters at 5 meters distance and 3 centimeters at 10 meters. This makes i85 truly useful, not just convenient, but also accurate. Okay, we have talked a lot about the laser measurement. So now let's talk about the most basic part of i85, the GNSS performance. Extreme GNSS performance is not just a tagline for CHCNAV RTK. It's what we are always aiming for. Many of our users work in challenging environments where they demand reliable RTK fixes and high accuracy. To meet this need, i85 laser RTK is powered by a powerful new SoC chip and iStar 2 technology with 14 and 8 channels that can track satellites across the entire frequency band. In challenging environments, the i85 can achieve a 15% improvement in GNSS RTK performance, ensuring reliable and accurate positioning. The i85 also features a built-in hybrid GNSS engine and unique narrowband interference rejection technology, and that improves GNSS data quality and signal tracking by more than 20%, ensuring optimal GNSS RTK performance in various applications scenarios. On i85, we still keep the most advanced CAD AR stakeout functionality, powered by dual frequency Wi-Fi, CHCNAV unique VPT technology. i85 has an experience smoother than butter. CAD integration with AR stakeout enables real-time overlay of CAD design files. The worksite can also be the design office. And as the perfect partner to CHC NAV GNSS RTK, Landstar software also have updates this time, with major upgrades in applications versatility is your go-to solution for acing every job in every scenario. Many experienced users may have the same problem. After a few months working, there are too many projects in data collection software. It's very difficult to find an exact previous project. Sometimes you spend a long time sliding the project list, so you finally find the project. Now, Landstar 8.2 makes a great update on project management and offers you various ways to locate a historical project. You can search a project via fuzzy name matching or sort the projects by the first letter to locate. Besides, the most important is you can find the project according to the calendar or map position. With this new method, even you completely forget the project name, once you remember where or when you worked on the project, you will easily find the exact project you want. Also, we know that many users have such requirements to import the project data or just code files and the site calibration parameters from Trimble, Leica, and Topcam. Now, in Landstar 8.2, the job can be done easily. You can directly create a new Landstar project using the project files from Trimble, Leica, and Topcam. The whole database will be directly converted to Landstar project database. If you need code files or calibration parameters, you can also easily import the files in Landstar 8.2 and directly use it. So now, with Landstar 8.2, you don't need to worry about how to use the historical data in your old software anymore. We are always thinking about how to make our clients' work more convenient. Such things usually happen during the work. User finished a project with multiple days or multiple times, and each day or each time he needs to offer his results for checking and processing. But in some other software, the export experience is not so good. The methods are too limited, cannot meet most users' needs. And now, in Landstar 8.2, we can offer more methods to users to export just the exact data they want. You can select the data by map view, intuitive and fast. And also, you can select the data filtering by name range or height range. Besides, you can just export the data in specific layers. Amazing, right? With this new function, your data can be what you want. And also, you can save a lot of time spent removing historical results significantly. In forestry surveying, surveyors have a unique applications, tree survey. They need to measure the center of a tree before they use simple offset measurement to do this. But there are some inconveniences. The setting steps is not short. Also, getting direction data from compass is not accurate enough. In some cases, users need to measure twice to get the precise result. In Landstar 8.2, we add a new measurement in survey module, tree survey. With this mode, users can significantly save their time by just take one step instead of the previous 4 steps Also, now Landstar can directly use the correct direction data from IMU sensor, which result is higher precise than compass. Besides, if you use i85 laser RTK with this function, efficiency can be improved by 30% compared to traditional RTK. This could be a true gift for forestry surveyors. They can save much time and get higher accuracy. Now, let's take a look at a case video about tree survey from a real client.
Tap Map Survey, then tap the button for measurement types and select Tree Survey Offset Mode. Tap Measure button, enter horizontal distance. Here I enter the radius of the tree, which is 0.18 meter. Enter elevation difference, here keep it 0 meter. Landstar software will automatically calculate the azimuth through the CHCNAV GNSS RTK's IMU. Tap Accept and we can get the tree center coordinates.
For volume, earthwork, and agriculture users, they may have the same issues. In these applications, users need to collect a bunch of points according to fixed distance. Before, this job can only be done in the office on the computer, but it's not convenient enough. It's not fast. Needs to transfer data between PC and controller. The grid cannot match the accurate terrain. Now, in Landstar 8.2, you can directly generate grids in the field. You can generate a grid at any origin point you want via Anyway. Grid directions can also adjust via gestures to fit with actual terrain more consistently. Also, you can adjust the grid transparency, avoiding grid interference with your map view. Besides, the grid is not only used as a base map, but also you can stake out the grid intersection points. This can make your measurement more accurate. I believe you may be excited about this function, so let's have a look at a video to learn how the function really works.
Tap Map Survey, then tap the three-dot menu button and select Grid Settings. Enter the spacing values for both the azimuth and perpendicular directions. Here we enter 3 meters. Tap the Measure button to capture the origin point, then tap the Start to complete it. Next, define the grid color. In this example, we choose green. Tap Create Grid Points, and Landstar will automatically generate the grid. Now we can collect the coordinates of the grid points one by one.
In order to directly show detailed information of elements to help users always being clear about the measurement, Landstar 8.2 now enables users to choose whether to display information such as line length, line direction, line slope, and area according to their needs. And guess what? These settings you can control every line to display or hide. And this is a display, but not just display. You can export the labels with measurement data together with CAD files. Enjoy the benefit from field to office. I believe many users have such experience. After you import a CAD design file into a project, you get a little confused about your location and elements you already have collected. We know that a CAD design file can be complex, including many lines, points, and labels. It's too hard to figure out which is the base map, which is the data you collected. And now, in Landstar 8.2, we can solve the problem. You can set the transparency of the entire CD file according to your needs. And guess what? You can also just set the transparency of CD layers. And after your setting, only once you change the transparency again. Otherwise, it will be retained permanently. In this way, you don't need to repeat the setting every time. As we said, we CHCNAV think what our customers want, meet what customers need. So there you have it. The first weapon about our new serving and engineering product line for 2025 H2. We have got the i85 laser RTK, measure what you aim, and upgraded Landstar 8.2 field serving application. All these thoughtful designs are aimed at making your experience easier, smarter, and more efficient. All new solutions are available now. You are welcome to inquire and order through our global partners and global authorized dealers. Thank you for your continued support and interest in CHCNAV's innovative products. We look forward to hearing from you and serving you again. Thank you.